That was hands down gotta be like the worst sleep I feel like I've ever got. I went to bed at like 1 and I woke up at 6:50, and from 6:50 all the way up until 9:20 I was awake lying in bed, but I had dreams, but it was like the slowest sleep ever. I think I got a sleep score of like 15. But we're still going to the beach today, so let's see what happens. Alright, I'm finally free. I'm not sleeping on the floor anymore, I'm not homeless. Alright, well that was chaotic and crazy. So is my hair. Should I get a haircut? Because I have a funny video where, what if I get every single haircut that exists? So if I get like a mohawk, long hair, curly hair, dreads, buzz cut. So like I would start from long and then like, you know, obviously go shorter and shorter and shorter until I get to buzz cut and bald. I don't know. Sounds kind of fun to me, so we'll see. But I do have to grow out my hair for that case, so maybe I'll grow out my hair. Yes, I get it. I look super ugly right now. How about now? Still ugly. It's fine. I still haven't filmed my push-up video yet, and so I need to go do that. But I also just had dinner and I forgot to show that, so I'm gonna go show a fake montage of me eating dinner, I guess. So yeah, let's go do that. Protein bar, milk, easy. But yeah, so just like that, it is 10 o'clock right now. I'm gonna finish editing. Alright everyone, you know the deal. I'm about to go to sleep, so good night everybody.